I've been teaching since I was 12 for 4 years.
You started teaching before you had your black belt.
I started teaching when I was a red advance. Hi, my name is Evelyn I'm a senior at Pittsburgh High School. I'm a first degree black belt in Taekwondo and I've been training here for 9 years. When I first started teaching, I used to be very impatient. Everyone would say I was the mean teacher because I would yell at everyone. But then I feel like I got used to it. Now all the kids love me. I'd get out of school around 3 o'clock. I would come straight from school and then I would do homework for an hour or so and then I would jump in and teach. I personally love teaching because I like watching all the kids. It's so cute. I feel like that just makes me happy because then I watch them grow. I feel like teaching has taught me a lot.
Take the flag. Me. And begin.
Okay, so when I was a white belt, when I first started, I was not flexible at all. I could not do half of the kicks that Master Warriors taught us. My older sister Marissa trained with me. We started at the same time. My sister, her kicks were nice and mine were terrible. Throughout our whole Taekwondo experience, we were very supportive of each other. I tested for my black belt on October 25th, 2014. I believe for my test, it was 5 of us. It was me and my sister. We definitely stuck together and supported each other throughout the whole thing. I remember during our 5-mile run, we ran together for the whole thing. We ended at the same exact time. And she started crying when I was making fun of her.
넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열.
Master Bryce has taught me to always persevere and never give up. It doesn't matter what challenges you have. With Taekwondo, you have to put a lot into it. You can't just think it's going to be easy. I feel like Master Barrios pushed me to things that I thought I could never do.
Okay, so do 10. Alright, do 10.